What's up? I'm Troubleshoot. In this quick guide, I'll be showing you how to complete Meds Wanted for LabRat in Grey Zone Warfare. For this, we'll need to hand over the UNLRA medical supplies to LabRat and find the UNLRA medical supplies at the towns of Water Tower 140, 161. If we accept this, you'll see that it asks us to hand over the medical supplies and we can find them at 140, 161. You can return back here, hand over when you have the items, but for now we need to go find them in 140, 161. If you're not sure how the map works, if we head across to the map tab, you'll see that there's a bunch of numbers on the far left, and at the bottom, the x-axis comes first. So 140, 161, we have a look here. 140 is block 14, 161 is block 16, zooming in, 140, so a bit more left, 161 is in this block here. Alright, once you've got your missions selected, how exactly do we get to them? Well, if you open up your vendor screen here and head across to one of your tasks, you'll see that it requires us to go to different locations. What we want to do is on the map, head across to the closest drop-off location indicated by LZ and simply just click on one of them. This one seems to be the closest to where I want to go, otherwise I can work my way up. I think let's start at Charlie 2. We'll click it and click Call Transport, and as soon as we do this, you'll hear that an exfil is coming for you, and we have a pickup at 40 seconds from now. So all we need to do is head across to the pickup point over here, make sure we have everything we need on us. So character, here we go. I've got a bunch of stuff, and of course, if you don't want to take anything with you, place it in your stash in the far right here. Once you're happy with what you have, we'll wait at the LZ here. You can see it coming in here. We'll wait for it, and in 10 seconds, we should be able to hop onto it. There we go. We'll sprint up to it, and we'll interact with it, so F, and just like that. Now, standing on it, all we need to do is literally wait until we travel across to where we want to go. You'll also hear some comms from the pilot saying 30 seconds, that's 30 seconds until we land. It should be relatively quick to get these things done. Sweet, so coming in for a landing here, we'll hop off, and now we're pretty much just in the game. Open the map using M to find a small little mini-map type thing going on, and navigate your way across the land. In order to find the medical supplies in 140, 161, so right over here, 140, 161. We'll right-click and add a waypoint. That's what we're heading towards, 300 meters. You'll also find it on the compass at the top of your screen. Heading across to 140, 163, you'll be approaching this big water tower. What we're looking for is the medical supplies at the town's water tower, so we've arrived in the correct place. We need to get into this town, and when we do, what we want to do is look for this building over here, which is just to the north of the water tower, and we'll head into it. So opening inside of the main room, which is in that way, it's this one, you'll find what we're looking for. So right over here is one of the things that we need. There we go, medical supplies. Sweet. That's pretty much all that we need for the Meds Wanted quest. You can see it's now ticked off. So we'll head back from here and make our way back towards the landing zone. So we'll need to go ahead and click a base camp, call transport, and wait for it to arrive in 2 minutes. Open up your vendors menu once more, then LabRat, tasks, head back to Meds Wanted and click hand over. Just like that, you've now completed it. Click complete and you get a bunch of medical supplies as well as some other things back in return. So that was LabRat's Meds Wanted. Thank you for watching. My name's me, Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.